It's this philosophy of knowing that the entire world comes alive because of sexuality. Sexuality perpetuates the human existence, as you know. Without this very sacred piece of ourselves, we wouldn't exist. And at some level, the entire universe wouldn't exist. The entire universe itself is inherently sexual, but in its nature. And so I define sexuality as a giving and receiving energy dynamic where the result is deeper or more amplified levels of life in reality. Even at the atomic level, the relationship between giving outward and receiving and bringing inward gives us all of life. That is profound and meaningful. Our sexuality is equally as profound and meaningful. It's this beautifully sacred, divinely designed part of ourselves that is meant to sustain and perpetuate life. You know, if we're in a place where there's guilt, shame, fear, insecurity around our sexuality, that means that that is what's coloring our experience of sexuality. However, if that piece is handled and there's a sense of security and mental stillness, then it opens up the doorway for us to be able to acknowledge how beautifully sacred our sexuality actually is. It changes our ability to experience gratitude and acknowledge the sacredness of the entire cosmos. We can be in these moments of awestruck reverence for the beauty of it all.